Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with TaskRabbit for same-day earning, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with TaskRabbit for same-day earning, first, visit the TaskRabbit website or download the app from your mobile store. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Next, fill out your profile with your personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. Select your preferred payment method to ensure quick and secure transactions. Choose the services you want to offer based on your skills and interests. Upload a profile picture that clearly shows your face to help build trust with potential clients. Review your skills and expertise to attract the right kind of tasks. Once your profile is complete, navigate to the Tasks section to see available jobs. Filter tasks based on your location for same-day earning opportunities. Apply for tasks that match your skills and schedule. After applying, keep an eye on notifications for potential client responses. Communicate promptly with clients to clarify job details and confirm your availability. Once a task is accepted, prepare to complete it on time and ensure quality service. After completing a task, ask the client for a review to enhance your profile's credibility. Finally, check your earnings and ensure your payment method is set up to receive funds quickly. With these steps, you can maximize your chances of earning on the same day with TaskRabbit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.